Hi beavers, hi monkeys, how are you? I hope you're safe and healthy. I hope you liked our last activity, the life cycle of the plant. Today we're going to be learning about something very exciting, parts of a plant. Each part is super important, okay? So we're going to be starting with the roots. The roots anchor the plant and absorb water and minerals from the soil. So what does anchor mean? Anchor means it holds it down, it supports it so it does not fall or blow away from strong winds. It's like the anchor of a ship or a boat. Okay? And absorb means takes in all the water and minerals from the soil. Our next part is the stem. The stem supports the leaves and carries water, minerals, and food throughout the plant. So the stem is the delivery person that delivers all the water and minerals to the plant itself. Okay? And it supports something very important, the leaf. The leaf is very super duper important. The leaves absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. So the leaf takes on all the sunlight and the carbon dioxide and it cooks food and it gives it to the plant. So it's like the chef for the plant. It's a special chef for the plant. The last part, the flower makes seeds to continue the life cycle. So the job of the flower, it's making new seeds so we can grow another plant or another flower. Okay, so we learned about the parts of the plant, the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flower. Each part is very important. You have this picture. I put it for you on our paper. And also, if you don't have a printer and you cannot print it, it's okay. You can draw the flower and then you can draw these arrows right there. And then we're going to label it. So this is the seed. This is the root, okay, right here. This is the stem. This is the leaf. And this is the flower. All right, so you have seed, stem, flower, root, and leaf. Also, you have this paper. You did it in the life cycle. I want you guys to use it. Remember, we're going to be remember these checkpoints, checklist. I can begin my sentence with a capital letter or uppercase letter. We have finger space between our words. We have, at the end of our sentences, we have a full stop, a question mark, or exclamation mark. We have to write neatly between the lines, and our sentence always have to make sense. So in this paper, I want you to tell me what does each part do. All right. So let's go back to our paper, our picture. So you're gonna write number 1, root. Root, it anchors the plant. Number 2, the stem supports the leaf and carries out the water. Number 3, the leaf is like the chef. You can write that. It's the chef, or it cooks food for the plant. And then number 4, the flower, it makes new seeds for another life cycle of the plant. So you can use this paper right here. So you can write it between the lines. I'm sure you can do a good job. I'm super proud of you. We miss you very, very, very much.